Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mdevan Ato again. Hit the like button, please subscribe so you know when I upload a video. Today I'll be working with Irish potatoes. I'm going to make noodles actually, but we're going to put a little twist to it with Irish potatoes. So I've diced and cubed them, but they're not too small, so that when they boil and they don't get too soft and mushy. So we're just going to drop a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to drop curry and a few spices just because I'm going to pan sear them later, so I want them to be really spiced up so that most of the juice comes from the potatoes as opposed to the Indomie spice. So I put in onions, I put in pepper, a little bit of yaji, garlic and curry. So I'm just going to let that boil. I'm not in a hurry. So I'm just going to let that boil and then I'll come back and make the noodles. So you need to let this boil like patiently so that it doesn't hard boil. And then it also doesn't overboil so it's not too soft. So we're going to let our water boil. We'll bring it to a boil and then we'll add a pack of noodles. This is for me, so you can add 3-4 packs if you want, but this is just for me. So while that is cooking, I'm going to just check on the potatoes again and make sure that that's fine. Then I'm going to switch flames right now because the potatoes are very soft. So we're going to switch and put the noodles this way, and that's done. So I'm going to be using olive oil today. I like to fry my eggs sometimes with it. Yeah, so I'm just going to make eggs right now. In the eggs, I just broke an egg, few spices, pepper and onions. Yeah. So once that's done, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to use the same pan to just check on the potatoes as well. I like meals that can be cooked in one pan. Fewer things to wash. So we're going to use the same pan to kind of like pan sear the potatoes with a little bit of olive oil as well, because when we're mixing the noodles we don't want them to fall apart because the noodles are very wet water, of course. So we want the potatoes to be crispy. You can do this 2 ways. You can actually do this, pan sear them and then plate it while you make the noodles separately, but today I do that all the time, so today I just want to mix everything together. So that's onions, carrots, pepper, and remember that the potatoes were extremely spiced, so I'm being very careful. I'm going to add the Indomie spice much later, but not even all of it, just a little. So I'm just going to mix that in and make sure that all the juices come together nicely. And then we're going to add our noodles. And we're done. Just mix everything, make sure that everything gets hot, nice and spicy. Add a little bit of yaji, add a little bit of curry, just because I like spicy food. Yeah, just going to mix this in again and then let it cook for a while. I didn't really allow the noodles get very soft when I was parboiling it, so this works and it's not going to get too soft on me. Yeah, you need to watch your spices, because if you're spicing the potatoes and you also want to spice your noodles, you have to be very careful so that one does not overwhelm the other. They need to complement each other. So yep, our lunch is done. I hope you're learning different ways to use Irish potatoes. Do we like? Do we like? So please like the video, subscribe. If you've not subscribed, I'm just wondering, like, you're watching this video, didn't you enjoy it? Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.